I made an automatic, machine, Skittles. All you're gonna do is get a piece of money, put it in there, and there you go. Got a Skittle. So how I do it is the money, might as well just eat this one. It's mine. Pushes a Skittle down this ramp. Oh, there's a glitch here. And sometimes, if it goes under there, just very carefully lift this up and grab your Skittle. And it could be any shape of money, only if it fits in there. So, I already did. So, try it one more time, but this time I'm not going to eat the Skittle. Sometimes it's a failure, sometimes it is. Oh, I got 2 this time. Pretty good. I love a nice 2 Skittles. That was my